back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and I'm going to run a little experiment. I love making flowers, paper flowers, fabric flowers. I love making flowers. So I want to see how my flowers, I did seal them with Mod Podge gloss sealer, spray sealer. So I just want to see how they will react in resin. And if they do good, I'll go from there. I have 4 ounces of resin mixed up. I do want to add some of the Dazzling Diamond in there. Just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Too much will take over your project. So that is the extent of the Dazzling Diamond. So I'm going to close that up. And let me mix it up with my big giant stick. I did give the part A of the resin a warm water bath, meaning I got some hot tap water, put it in a bowl, and put my little container. I store my resin like this, and it goes in the bowl for, I don't know, I think I did it for just under 10 minutes. Just to warm up part A, kind of reduces some of the bubbles. This Dazzling Diamond will create a sparkle. See, I mean, I just put such a little amount in there. So what I want to do is I want to get some tweezers. I have no idea what I'm doing. And I'm going to, first I want to see which ones I want to use. Let's see. This one will go in the middle, but the other way around, of course. And this one, I'm going to spill that. And this one looks cute. And then maybe some smaller ones. I don't want to overpower it. Maybe not, just maybe these 3. Okay, so. And then this is going to be the bottom. This will be the top. Just playing it out in my head. So this here, I think I'm going to cut it. We're just going to cut it right in this, right there. And I do already, I made these, I put glossy accents and diamond dust on them when I made them. So I'm going to get that hair out of there. So, let me see. I want to dunk. I'm going to dunk it. First, I'm going to pour a little bit in here. Get that wet. And move it around. I want to get it wet with the resin. Like I said, I don't even know if this is going to turn out. And then I'm going to take my flower. I'm going to dunk it. Just like that. And I'm going to place it in like that. And smush it down. It's just paper. Gonna pour some more in here. Like so. Before I go any further, I'm going to dunk my leaves. This is going to take me a bit to figure out how I want to do it. There we go. Much better. Much more manageable. Let's do the same with this one. And then we can put some more in here. Like so. Yeah, but those leaves are just moving all over the place. We will move them back. Okay, let's get these back where I want them. This is a test. And I'm just going to push it down in there. They are flowers. I mean flowers. They are paper. Just checking to see. And we're going to stop right there. We'll see how that looks. Okay, I'm going to hit it with some alcohol. And then we'll go from there. I'm not sure if I'm going to turn the heat mat on or not. I will let you know when I get back. So I will see you in a second. Hello, this is set up enough to where I can move on with the next part. I just hope that these flowers are far enough down. I have a feeling they're going to poke out a little bit, but we'll see. I have 2 ounces of resin poured here. If I need more, I can always pour more. And I have some white resin colorant from littlewindows.com. That's what it looks like. Okay. And I'm going to put some in there. I want it opaque. You don't need a lot of this stuff. I'm going to get let me get a smaller stick. Okay. I want it opaque. A little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. I just want to make sure that it's mixed in there really good. I was going to use the this one, the Ocean White Violet's resin. I guess that would be just as good. But for some reason, I gravitated towards this one. Just going to pour that in. If I need more, I can always mix more. And let's start on the flowers. Don't know why, but I want to. So, yeah, I'm going to need more. I knew it. Maybe not. Who knows? So hard to tell sometimes. I don't want to pour too much more. I want it covered. Yeah, this isn't domed yet. So what I will do is mix another ounce and I will be right back. Okay, I have another ounce. If I can't cover those, then once it cures up, I will sand it. I'll take it outside and sand it, and then I'll put another little coat of the white. You know. So I have a feeling this ain't gonna cover it all. Almost. I want to scrape every last bit out. See if I can get that covered. If I can. It's looking good, but I don't think so. Not too bad. Okay, I'm going to turn my heat mat on, and when this is cured, I will be back. I'm going to spray it with some alcohol first. I see some bubbles in there. There we go. Yep, they're popping now. Okay, I will be back. Hello, this is ready. Yeah, feeling the back of it, it's really smooth. I can't feel those flowers. I still might want to sand it down as soon as it stops raining outside, and then doing another small top coat on there. But yeah, so I don't even know how this looks, so that might be might not even matter, because I have no idea how this turned out. So we shall see. I hope it turned out pretty. Okay, I see I do have some trimming up to do on the sides. So you ready? Here we go. That looks so pretty. Are you serious? That is gorgeous. Look at that. And those are paper flowers that I made. I see this came over the top of the flower, but that don't matter. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Got a couple little bubbles here. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, a little tiny bubble in the center of each of these flowers, but that actually looks good. I don't really see any more bubbles in there. I mean, it's just, oh, it's beautiful. Wow. Those are beautiful. And that's just made with 65-pound cardstock, and the ink I used flower dye. You can use any flower dye, and the ink I used is archival to stamp, and then to color it I just used what did I use? I think I used Tim Holtz crayons, which are water-based. That is why I sealed them. This had glossy accents. Where's my glossy accents? I don't know, it's put up somewhere. But anyway, it's got glossy accents over it. Then I put some diamond dust and some glitter on it because I did not intend to put these in resin. So then I sealed it with the Mod Podge gloss sealer so that none of that would bleed or run into each other. I wasn't sure if it would work, but it did. It worked really nice. Yeah, so if you're interested in how I make my flowers, and I have some coffee filter flowers somewhere. I have to pull them out. I'll have to dig them out. But let me know. If I get enough interest, I will show you how I do it. And I'm just blown away by how pretty that looks. And you can actually see the sparkle on the flowers and leaves themselves. Even though I added sparkle in the resin, you can see each leaf and flower has its own sparkle. So there you go. I love it. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? I want to thank you for hanging out with me today, and I hope you will return. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you are a subscriber, I truly appreciate you, and you have a great day, and God bless. Bye.